Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your computer is low on memory error in Windows 7, 8, 10. Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings under Performance. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Select C drive. Check Item Managed Size. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Type gpedit.msc in browser search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click and expand Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Click Windows Resource Exhaustion Detection and Resolution. Open Configure Scenario Execution Level. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.